Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can upload things to Etsy, so let's get right into it. Now, the way that you upload things to Etsy are usually through listings, and you can upload either images for those listings or you can upload the actual listings, especially if they are digital goods. So let me show you guys exactly how that is done. So I'll just go into my shop manager. I'm not finished with the setup of this, so I'm just going to go over and I'm going to edit an already existing product. So let me just go ahead and enter it. And once I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add an image. I have created an image on Canva, so I'll just use that and I'll add it. So you can use literally all you want, or even, let's say this one. Now you can just click to upload that item. And as you can see, once that uploads, it'll be within these images. Now I'm not sure why this is fully white. Whoops. And I'm not sure why it's showing me that pop-up. So let me just go through it and let me just back out of it since I don't need this. And once that's done, as you'll see when I go over into my editing, I already have an image here as well, or I should rather have it. So let me just add it again. And now there we go. We have an image. Now, what you can also do is, for example, if your product is digital, so let's go over into digital file, click apply, and I'll switch to a digital listing. And now you're going to have to upload that product or that file over here online. And as you can see here under digital files, you can drag and drop or just add a file by clicking here. And then I'll go, for example, to that design that I've created. And now I'll just click save and continue. And that is pretty much it. And yeah, there's really nothing else to add. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll be seeing you guys in another video.